Hello viewers, so today I'm bringing you a completely new segment. Yes, I have the brand new OnePlus Buds Z2 and we'll do an unboxing today. So even though this was launched in China last year itself, in India it was launched just a week back. We have two colors of this OnePlus Buds Z2. One is this amazing pearl white and another is the classy obsidian black. Let's find out. The packaging of OnePlus is fantastic as ever. So yes, here's the brand new OnePlus Buds Z2 Pearl White. Wow, that's pretty cool. So let's see what else is there inside the box. Buds for life. Wow. One red cable plug card, and then let's see what's inside here. It's written as accessories, couple of instruction cards, user manual, safety warranty card. We'll keep this aside. Then we have the USB charging cable, type C, and two pairs of extra ear tips we have along with this, but anything else? Okay, so now we'll keep everything aside and then we'll start with the unboxing of this case. So let me unwrap this. Wow, this looks amazing. Fantastic. So let me give you an overview of this product. First of all, we have an amazing feature here, that's 40 decibel of active noise cancellation with transparency mode. The second feature is 3 mic setup calibrated for wind and noise reduction. So OnePlus Buds Z2 has a battery life of 38 hours, and with a flash charge of just 10 minutes you can enjoy listening to it for 5 hours. It has 11mm bass tuned dynamic drivers, 94 millisecond ultra low latency with a Bluetooth version of 5.2, and also these Buds Z2 supports Dolby Atmos. These Buds Z2 are water and sweat resistant with IP55, and the charging case is rated IPX4. So this is the charging indicator over here, and for charging this case you can plug in your USB Type-C charger over here. So let's pair this OnePlus Buds Z2. I have switched on the Bluetooth. I have connected this, and yes, so left hand side is 100%, right hand side is 100%. So we have the features here, how much percentage of charge is there in each of the buds, and also the case. So it's displayed properly. You have phone calls, media, audio, contact sharing. You can switch on everything, and then yes, we are ready to go. We have the noise control features over here. You can set it up for max noise cancellation you can switch it off, and also we have a transparency mode. And also for the earbud controls, you can set it up here, and accordingly you can use your touch gestures on the OnePlus Buds Z2. With all the features loaded in this OnePlus Buds Z2, this pair of earbuds is priced at $4,999, and you can get it from Amazon.in or from the OnePlus official website. I'll share the links in the description of this video. You can check it out. If you have found this video informative, then please like and share this video. Also do not forget to subscribe the channel, and if you have any queries regarding the OnePlus Buds Z2, then do not hesitate to type in your comments in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.